something to prove. You try to tell me we had nothing to lose, cause when we danced together we were one pair of shoes. Cause you're my Babylon, Babylon. Now I'm living just to live, I regret. And I know this love will die if I let it go. What you gave to me, I swore I'd never forget it. Cause you're my Babylon, Babylon. With you, I'm running wild. With you, the city comes alive. With you, we'll set it all on fire. Cause you're my Babylon, Babylon. So won't you take me back, back when we were covered in champagne and everybody thought we were insane. Well, you will always be my Babylon, my Babylon. So won't you take me back, back to where I knew you would save me, where everyone else thought I was crazy, where you would always be my Babylon, my Babylon. Where you would always be my Babylon, my Babylon. I'm sorry, girl, I had to stop for a second. Catch my breath so I would stop second guessing. When we danced together, yeah, you taught me a lesson. Cause you're my Babylon, Babylon. Oh, with you, I'm running wild. With you, the city comes alive. With you, we'll set it all on fire. Cause you're my Babylon, Babylon. So won't you take me back, back where we were covered in champagne and everybody thought we were insane. Well, you will always be my Babylon, my Babylon. So won't you take me back, back to where I knew you would save me, where everyone else thought I was crazy, where you would always be my Babylon, 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 yeah.
Let's learn Babylon. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse. It is a 32 count, 4-wall high beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 7 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that restart happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Babylon. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine quarter turn to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the side, cross our left behind our right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping left side, cross right behind left, left side, touch right next to left. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a rocking chair with our right foot. We're going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward onto your left. We're now going to step forward with our right, and you're going to scuff your left heel on the floor. Then you're going to step forward with your left and scuff your right heel on the floor. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a jazz box cross. We're going to cross our right over our left, step our left foot back, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. You're now going to do a big step to the right, bringing your left foot in and next to your right, and then you're going to pop both knees, lifting your heels up off the ground and bending your knees. Pop, pop, weight's going to be on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do quarter turning heel grinds with a rock back recover. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward. You're going to put your weight onto your right heel and you're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder. Then you're going to step back with your left foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to rock our right foot back and recover onto your left foot. You're now going to repeat that. Take your right heel, place it forward, swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, step back with your left. You're now facing 9 o'clock and you're going to rock back with the right, recover onto your left, end of dance. So let's try that with some counts. You're doing your heel grinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, end of dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts, starting with your grapevine quarter turn. Grapevine to the right, side behind, quarter touch, side behind, side touch. Right rocking chair, step scuff, jazz box with a cross. Big step to the right, now pop your knees, pop, pop, heel grind, quarter rock back, recover, heel grind, quarter rock back, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you would keep on going, traveling counterclockwise for the dance. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 7. On some of the other walls, it's going to sound like you should restart. That first time you want to dance through it until you get to the back wall. Wall 7 is the second time that we come to the back wall. We're going to dance 24 counts of the dance, which is your jazz box and your slide with your knee pop, and then you're going to start the dance all over again. So let's try it. We're doing our grapevine to the right with our quarter turn. Side behind, quarter touch. Side behind, side touch. Rock forward, rock back, step, scuff, jazz box with a cross. Big step to the right, now your knee bounces, pop, pop weights on your left foot, and then you'll start the dance all over again. Grapevine, quarter turn, and you will keep on going. So now, let's go all the way around. We are going to do 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition to the next wall for that restart. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. You're starting with your grapevine quarter turn. Side behind, quarter touch. Grapevine to the left. Right rocking chair. Step scuff, jazz box with a cross. Big step to the right with your knee pop. Heel grind, quarter rock back, recover. Heel grind, quarter rock back, recover, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine quarter turn. Grapevine with a touch, right rocking chair. Step scuffs. Jazz box with a cross. Big step to the right, bounce your heels. Heel grind, quarter turn, rock back, recover. Heel grind, quarter turn, rock back, recover. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine quarter turn. Grapevine with a touch, right rocking chair. Step scuffs. Jazz box with a cross. Big step. Pop your knees. Right heel grind. Rock back, recover. Right heel grind. Rock back, recover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24 counts. Side behind, quarter touch. Side behind, side touch. Right rocking chair. Step scuff. Jazz box with a cross. Big slide. Bounce your knees. Start over grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. After that restart, you'll just dance the rest of the dance all the way through without having to worry about anything. I hope this helps you learn Babylon. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.